Hey guys, welcome to our team. Today we would like to learn about our project-based learning presentation, which is and this is our team, RWD, and these are my fellow mates, myself, Manoj, and in my team there are three members, which are Muhammad Edri, Hadi Jolison, Muhammad Nur Azam, and Muhammad Aiman. And before we get into our presentation, let's explore the slide.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. I'm Azam and I'm looking forward to talking with you today about our project that is F1 in school. Okay, I'd like to quickly introduce myself. My name is Wan Muhammad Nur Azam bin Wan Fauzan and I am a member of this team. After this, my group member will introduce themselves. So the first one I want to share with you is about my team's logo. My team's logo is designed by our members, and our team logo is designed based on our team name, which is RWD. So for the name of our team is RWD Racing Teams, come from the abbreviation Race, Wild and Dream. Why did our team choose this name? Uh, this is because the name of our team is closely related to the vision and mission of our team. Okay, next slide. So for the introduction, F1 in school is a unique technology challenge that enables second level students to learn science by getting their hands on the latest technology from the world of engineering and manufacturing. Uh, it has five essential elements for the success of the project. That is plan, design, analyze, make, and test. The challenge inspires students to use IT to learn about physics, aerodynamic, design, manufacture, branding, graphic, sponsorship, marketing, leadership, or teamwork, media skill, and financial strategy, and apply them in a practical, imaginative, competitive, and exciting way. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, guys. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera I bid to Sir Zakaria and all my friends. Me, Muhammad Aiman bin Ibrahim, as a graphic designer for RWD Racing Team, will present about company background. For your information, RWD Racing Team have a mission and vision to achieve, which is our mission is encourage young into motorsport industry and embrace positive values. Next, our vision is investing new technologies, young generation, and also developing auto sport. Our RWD team racing consists of 5 members. There are Manoj Kumar, anak lelaki Krishnan, as our team manager. Second, we have one Muhammad Nur Azam as resources manager. Next, Harley Jolison is our design engineer. Manufacturing engineer is Edri Hamil Hakim. And last but not least, graphic engineer for our WD racing team is myself, Muhammad Aiman bin Ibrahim. Each all of us have job scope. Manoj Kumar, team manager, he create an F1 team members and brainstorm. Team members that was mentioned is all of us. He also make a mission and vision in group, start making ideas with member together. Next, design engineer is Harley. He used CAD software to develop the ideas and making model in 3D. With that, RWD Team Racing was built a RWD-01. Manufacturing engineer Adri converts the car design into physical car. This task is very challenging because he must make sure that RWD design is same in physical car when it's converted. Resources manager Azam testing the car and analyze and find the deficiency of the project. He will investigate what RWD01 deficiency so we can fix the deficiency quickly. And lastly, graphic designer, me, Aiman, I find the idea how to overcome the deficiency and improve it into the best. So I will make sure our racing car is the best among the best and can beat the famous racing team out there. So that's all.
Hello, my name is Errol Jellison, and today I will explain about the concept of design. Our product name is RWD01. For our concept design, we have consists of main body, front and rear tires, bearing and drive shaft, front wing and rear wing. Okay, next. Okay, for the main body, we have modified for the design from front and to the rear. First, we added the side kit with a curve to ensure the aerodynamic is good for the design for the body of F1. So the total length for our body F1 is 185, or and the width is 60, and for the critical part for side kit or rear kit is with chamfer R2 and distance from the body and the rear of the body is 14. That's next.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Edric Emil Hakim bin Jakar Razmadi. I am a manufacturing engineer in this project. Right, so for the wheels, in this concept design, I designed the wheels and the front real wheels based on the original design TE37SL. Okay, the spoke we made is a concave spoke and zero offset to suit and fit the main body. Okay, for the tires, we made a tread pattern tires to give a sporty look and grip. And it is suitable if this project printed to 3D. Right. So the tires also we make a thin tires, so that's the wheels will look bigger and more sporty. So next.
Okay, we continue with bearing. The function of the bearing is crucial for the proper function of the hub, tire, and wheel assemblies to work together. The wheel bearing allows friction-free movement and rotation of the hub assembly, and thereby provides smooth tire and wheel rotation. Next, the function of the drive shaft is to transfer motion to the tires, reduce mechanical friction. The drive shaft is a component of the drivetrain in a vehicle, with the purpose of delivering torque from the transmission to the differential, which then transmit this torque to the wheels in order to move the vehicle. I designed this drive shaft with 40 length. The diameter of this drive shaft is 2.5 cm. This drive shaft is simple but nice. Next.
Okay, guys. My name is Manoj, and I will explain more about the concept behind the front wing design. As you know, front wing is the part in the F1 to meet the air barrier, which is helpful to create more downforce and to create more grip and provide more drag to the F1. The major aspects which plays a better role in the front wing concept is downforce. How we achieve the maximum downforce is having a proper design, which is flat main plate and plate and so on. Okay. First, the flap have to need to have an angle of attack, which is in the range of 15 to 13 degrees. In this range, we are able to achieve the maximum angle of attack, which will eventually improve the drag and downforce. Next, I've designed the main plate as the airfoil shape, which is a better shape to cut off the air barrier, which provides a better downforce from. And I've put curves at the end of the main plane, which will create turbulence, which will eventually create which eventually does not disturb other parts and provides a better air around the other. So the F1 can achieve the maximum speed in the track. Thank you. That's all from me.
Okay. For the rear wing, uh, if anyone asks me why I choose this design, okay, this design are made according to specifications that have long been made by experts in this industry. With a design like this, it can give a lot of impact to the F1 that have created. The shape and measurement made should be emphasized because it can affect the speed of a car. I create this design to add more downforce, and in turn it will add more rear tire grip. That is which can improve cornering performance, acceleration performance, and stability at high speed. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Let's go into final drawing. Okay, this is our final drawing for our project, which is the F1 car. First, we have the top view, the side view, and also the rear view. We use the software which is known as CATIA, developed by Dassault System, and we use the specific operations to achieve all these drawing materials, which is in this case we use design. And this will be the final drawing as isometric view and which is in an exploded version. Right now, I'm about to present to you the final product RWD01. Okay, this is our final product. We made into rendering and we just added some colors and some background so it will be easier and attractive as you can see. This is the front isometric view, another different background, and next is component analysis.
Okay, next we have do some analysis component for our design. There are three components that we choose in our design to do the analysis. First of all, we do analysis for tire. The tire displacement magnitude is in mm, and the value that we got for the analysis is maximum 0.00136 and minimum is 0.0000136. Next is bone miss stress unit in MPa. For the analysis tire, max 6.04 MPa and minimum is 1.74 MPa or megapascal. So the below is the deformation for the tire. Next. Okay, the next analysis is bearing and drive shaft. So the max value for displacement is 0.0387 and minimum is 0.00387. Bone miss stresses for bearing and drive shaft is maximum 1.57 megapascal and minimum is 1.57 megapascal power of 7. Next. So the last analysis for our part design is bearing, drive shaft and tire. So the displacement that we got from the analysis is maximum value 0.196 and minimum value is 0.0196. For the bone missile stress is max 1.13 power of 8 megapascal and minimum is 6.59 megapascal power of 4. That's all from me.
Alright, so back to me again. I will present about the factor of safety. Okay, for the first factor of safety is the wheel. Okay, for the material yield strength is 200 MPa. Factor of the safety is 4.14. Then the status is pass. Okay, for the next one, factor of safety is the drive shaft with the bearing. The material yield strength is 250 MPa. The factor of safety is 1.59. Then the status is pass. Okay, then we go to the last leaf. For the factor of safety, is the drive shaft, bearing, and the wheel. Okay, so the material strength is 250 MPa. The factor of safety is 2.21. Okay, then the status is pass. Okay, so we go to the next slide. Okay, so for the discussion, what we have discussed, the technique to improve design failure. Okay, to control the failure occur happen, we solve it by doing some modifications on geometry for the product and determine the problem by looking the one come up from the simulation of analysis. Okay, we go to the next one. We need to correct the dimension accordingly. Okay, then after that, the ductility and durability of our tire also failed at result obtained, and we overcome it by changing the size and the material that we selected, which is steel that have good behavior of material strength properties. Okay, then for the final discussion, okay, correcting the material selection will be ensure the parts can support at the estimation load that been applied. Okay, so that is our discussion. Then we shall go to the next slide. Okay, so the ideas to improve this design. Okay, the first thing, if we want to design a car or anything that have a dynamic movement, okay, we have to design it with aerodynamic. Okay, so for the first point, I just want to say right here is consider the aerodynamic flow, which is by creating curve at body kit of F1 car RWD 01 is to ensure it not against to the flow of wind. Okay, for the next ideas to improve design, the weight of the body also need to modify by changing the material of each part to ensure the car will be more stable. Okay. After that, width of tire also need to improve its size to ensure much area of friction contact surface for the purpose of braking when we at high speed. Okay, then finally, okay, changing our properties for material, drive shaft, bearing and tires is to ensure that it can support the weight of car body F1 and improve the ductility and durability in design. So that's all from me.
Okay, guys, let's conclude the entire through this whole project. We able to learn to apply process of engineering to solve real world problems that we face every day in our daily life and also in the future. This project also reduce active engagement in and excitement about engineering and engineering design and at a variety of grade level. Younger generations can design, innovate, and create their own ideas to produce a better engineer in the future. Encourages us to create a better brainstorming and creativity, incorporating the engineering design process into secondary curriculum, and also be able to learn variety of essential professional skills through this program. And that's all from us. This is all about our car, and thank you.